Using concrete stamps on a small do-it-yourself project is a killer way to add some serious style and texture without spending a ton of cash or time. If you want your patio, walkway, or even a small garden stepping stone to look custom and professional, stamping concrete is the move. But you gotta know what you're working with and have the right setup to make it happen smooth. First off, grab some quality concrete mix that's designed for stamping, something with the right consistency, not too runny or super thick, so your stamps leave a clean impression. You'll need a concrete stamp kit with patterns that fit your project scale, like brick, stone, or wood grain textures. Before you pour, make sure your workspace is prepped, clean the area, and set up wooden or metal forms to hold the concrete in place. Once you pour the concrete, give it a little time to firm up but not dry out. Timing is key so the stamps don't stick or mess up the surface. Use a release agent on your stamps so they pop off without ruining the pattern, and press evenly across the surface, applying steady pressure. After stamping, smooth out any rough edges with a trowel and let it cure properly, usually at least a couple of days depending on weather. Don't forget to seal your stamped concrete once it's dry to protect it from stains and wear down the road. One of the biggest mess-ups people make with concrete stamping DIY projects is rushing the timing. If you stamp too soon or too late, you'll end up with blurry or cracked patterns. Another common issue is not using a release agent on the stamps, which leads to sticking and tearing of your design. Also, skipping sealing after curing can cause your beautiful stamped surface to fade or chip faster when exposed to weather and foot traffic. Fix these by testing small patches first to get your timing right, always spraying or dusting your stamps with a release product, and investing in a good concrete sealer made for stamped surfaces. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy whether you're tackling your own stamped concrete or looking for pros to help out. It hooks homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and lets contractors find solid gigs, so everybody wins. I've seen tons of people save time and stress by using their platform to get matched with reliable experts who get the job done right.